Hi, I am Debra Richardson of Debra Richardson LLC, and I work with you to help you clean up your vendor data, clean up your vendor processes so that you pay the right vendor. Now, this week's Vendor Master File Tip of the Week will help you clean up your vendor data. And this is a resource to find contact information for U.S. government departments and agencies. And for many of you, if you are watching this when it's published, this is summertime, and this may be the time that you might just be cleaning out your vendor master file, revalidating data to make sure that it is still valid, and actually finding information that is missing. And so this resource will help you find the government departments and agencies for the United States. And so here is the resource. It is on USA.gov and it's slash agency hyphen index. That's the URL, but I will have a link to it in the description. So make sure you click on that and also bookmark it so you have it for the future and share it with your team members as well. So this is an A to Z index of U.S. government departments and agencies, and I'll do a quick demo of how I can find a county that I never heard of before in California, how easy it is. And so that was very quick and very easy. Now, if you are cleaning your vendor master file, then how about checking out two podcast episodes? One is on four free official sources to find a vendor address. The other one is three free ways to obtain your vendor's missing tax ID. Now, these were for 1099 distribution, but you know what? They work just as well when you're trying to find that missing information in your vendor master file. All right, so if you'd like more information on how to improve your vendor process, please go to my website at debrarrichardson.com for free tools and resources to avoid fraud or regulatory fines and just overall bad vendor data. Now, if you would like over 173, yes, getting up there, annual hours of vendor process training for your vendor team, then check out the Vendor Process Training Center at training.debrarrichardson.com. So good luck and be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified next Tuesday for the next Vendor Master File tip of the week.